Hi, so I have this empty box from Fool today. I have used all the incense stick inside it, and basically, this is a very sturdy box, and I think it can easily be reused. I want to keep something like my wired earphone and my Bluetooth earphone inside it, so just want to deck it up a bit to make it ready for reusage. So let's do that. So I have this range of designs to choose from. These basically got printed out of a mistake. So earlier I was getting all these designs which I designed myself. I got them printed on, I wanted to get them printed on a different kind of a sheet, but by mistake the studio people printed them on a sticker sheet. So now we have a batch, and these are really like very premium quality print. I didn't want to go them to waste. So I thought I'll just save them for later, and today they will be in use. So what I've done here, first I've taken the measurements. So this is basically, this is 10, and then this is also 10. If I see, this is also 10, and if I measure the sides, then it is around 4 point, we have to keep a bit of margin, so 4.2. Now, so this is the same dimension from all the sides, and so I have done the measurement on the paper. You can see I have put the points here, and I just straight away marked a line because I want to cut the entire sheet in a single piece, and I can keep, I don't want to keep it in parts and attach it one by one. I want it to be a seamless one pager stick on. So yeah. So I've just removed the leftover page that I don't really need for the stick on area. Now what I want to do, I want to paste it like this and like this. So I need to mark the margins where I just need to put a slit so that it can be wrapped in a better way. This is the dimension basically. So this will fit like this, and then it will go like this, then it will go like this. So I just need to now make some slits over here, over here, 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 and one more here. So the 8 points I need to make a slit like this. So this is how the entire box now looks like. Looks nice, right? I think it also complements with the golden tone here, used here. I want to keep like a strip of this particular design here, so when you open it, it's also the same pattern inside. Let's just quickly do that. So if the outer box is 10 by 10, then the inside ones would be much reduced size. So it's around, if I see the inner space, it's about 9.3. So let's just cut the strip. Okay, bye.